Brazilian wax pain reduction tips for beginners getting a Brazilian wax at home. If you're worried about the pain, especially with sensitive skin, or you're over 40, stick around. I've got 16 powerful pain-reducing tips that beginners swear by. Hi, I'm your channel name, and today we're diving into pain-free Brazilian waxing, yes, even for mature or sensitive skin. Whether you're in New York, Sydney, Toronto, or London, these DIY tips are tailored for you. Brazilian waxing at home can be intimidating, especially if it's your first time or you've had a painful past experience. But with the right prep, products, and techniques, it doesn't have to be a horror story. Let's start with number 1. Exfoliate 24 hours before it removes dead skin for a smoother pull. Reduces chance of ingrown hairs. Makes wax adhere to hair, not skin. Use a gentle sugar scrub, especially for 40+ skin. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before waxing. Heightens skin sensitivity. Causes inflammation. Can make you jittery, equals tense skin. Herbal teas or water are better pre-wax drinks. Time it right. Avoid pre-period days. Skin is most sensitive before menstruation. Best time, a few days after your period. Hormonal shifts equals more pain. For mature women, avoid ovulation time too. Numb the area naturally. Ice pack or chilled aloe 10 minutes before. OTC numbing creams, check ingredients. Witch hazel pad to calm nerves. Cooling gel equals spa effect at home. Trim hair to 1/4 inch too long equals more painful pulls. Too short equals wax won't grip. Use small scissors or electric trimmer. Measure with a cotton swab. If unsure, do a patch test first, especially for sensitive skin 35+. Try inner thigh or bikini line. Wait 12 hours for irritation signs. Better safe than sorry. Use hard wax for Brazilian areas. Hard wax grips only hair, not skin. Ideal for coarse hair and sensitive zones. Less irritation, fewer passes. Most kits for beginners use hard wax. Warm wax properly, not too hot. Too hot equals burns. Too cold equals won't grip. Test wax on wrist. Use microwave or wax warmer safely. Stir and wait 30 seconds before applying. Use the right waxing tools, wooden spatulas for precision. Quality wax warmer equals steady temperature. Pre-wax cleanser and aftercare gel. Don't skip the instructions. Pull skin taut while waxing prevents tugging and bruising. Easier to remove wax in one go. Use one hand to stretch, one to pull. Ask for help if needed. Breathe and relax. During waxing, deep breathing reduces shock. Tense muscles equals painful pulls. Wax in small sections, less pain, more control. Avoid overlapping wax. Section into quadrants. If D'ing, great for over 40 delicate skin. I still remember my first time waxing at home. Let S just say I didn't know about tip number 4 and OUCH. But with practice and patience, it's now a self-care ritual I actually look forward to. Which of these tips surprised you most? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe if this helped you. For my favorite beginner-friendly wax kits, soothing gels, and pain-free accessories, check the affiliate links in the description.